So if you have a Cowie, that cover is absolutely a nightmare. I've seen guys try to remove the shock, do a whole bunch of crazy stuff just to get that cover out because it don't slip out easily in the back. It seems a little counterintuitive, but this is the way. And it is a little bit, you have to finesse it and get it just right, but it'll go. Voila, easy enough. Like, share, subscribe.
There are multiple good videos floating around showing actually changing the build if you need that. Some of those miss a few things that are good to know. The Cowie built is directional. Second, the bolt is a M10 by 1.25 by 60 millimeter. Some say you can get by with a 40 millimeter. And most important, if you're trail side and you don't have the bolt, you can use the engine mount bolt next to the primary. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hope y'all have a good one.